This is Nokia C32, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first step that you need to take is to find and launch the Google Drive app. Usually it comes pre-installed with the system itself, so in most cases you will not to download anything additionally, but unless of course you have uninstalled the app earlier, then you'll just need to download it from the Google Play Store. Here the system asks that I quickly confirm my Google account password, so let me do that. So it will get lost finally and I can proceed. Anyway, once you launch the Google Drive, you will need to tap at this plus icon over here, scan, then allow Google Drive to have the camera access. And once the camera interface launches, take a photo of your respective document. Once the photo is taken, you can just proceed. The following step after the picture is captured is the following step allows you to edit your picture. For example, you can change its color scheme, select what color you would like to have it in. Then you can rotate your scan 90 degrees at a time, and as you could have noticed, mine was cropped incorrectly, so I will manually frame the part of the original raw photo that I would like to be included into the final result. Then once you're ready to save your document or PDF file, hit the save button. Then you have a chance to rename it or change the Google account and Drive folder that it will be saved to. Then hit the save button one last time. Let your document be uploaded to Google Drive. And here is the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.